എല്ലാം നനഞ്ഞ് പിണ്ടിയായി. It was a task to mount all these things in this rain. There's no cover as well, so all bikes were exposed to rain yesterday and today. That's the only drawback. No covered parking. Maranthawadi Tirunelli route. Left. Start of day 2. Today it looks like a red alert. The local here was telling us that the roads are flooded. Not completely submerged, but still there's water on the road. This is also a way to go to that stay. Yesterday the plan became a flop. We planned to go to Attamala viewpoint. It's like Munnar Gap Road, the road towards Attamala, but the place was closed due to restrictions and the police sent us back. Today's plan is to go to Tirunelli. Yeah, there's a hill view point called Muneeswaran Kunnu nearby Tirunelli. So we'll try to visit that place. We don't know if it's open or not. 75% I guess it'll be closed. If it is open, we'll visit that place and go through Virajpet, Gonikopa to Mysore. One rider has to head to Bangalore, so we need to be a bit fast today. Fast as in not waste our time anywhere. So the first destination is 45 kilometers away. From that place to Mysore via Virajpet is another 150 kilometers. So a 200 kilometer ride for two of us and 350 for the another rider. Both of them are using Apollo Trampler tires, front and back, and I'm using Rice Trezor, which is worst in wet conditions, so I need to be extra careful. Alright, we have hit the highway, state highway. The rain is moderate. at this. Yep, the water has seeped into the gloves. Everything, every man-made thing has a limit in front of the nature. We just have around 8 to 9 kilometers now. But the place would not be open is what I'm guessing. Damn it. Oh my god, 17 minutes recording. Shit. So the locals here suggested us not to go to that place, Munishwaran Kunda. First thing they said, it will be closed. Even if it's not closed, they said not to go towards that place because landslides have happened there in previous years, so we may cancel that right now. It's just how many? 8 kilometers, man. What to do? Okay, 120 kilometers to Mysore. Okay, we are headed towards the Tolpeti forest. I think we have crossed the city limits now. Should be entering the forest soon. This forest is open 24/7. Even at night I see bikers taking this route. I mean, you can't go solo at night. It's not recommended. Group rides are fine. Another river along the road. Welcome to Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, Tolpeti Range. Okay. ಬೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಗೋಣಿಕೊಪ್ಪ ರೋಡಲ್ಲ we actually took the other route towards Mysore. I mean, there were two ways, one towards Gonikoppa, Ponnampet, and another one towards Mysore. So we took the route to Mysore, and then near the checkpost the forest officers told two-wheelers are not allowed. So we had to return for 2 kilometers and then again take this route towards Gonikoppa and then Ponnampet. Another tiger reserve. I think I'm coming through this route for the first time. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. Hello ilva ಅಣ್ಣ ಬೈಕಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಬೈಕ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಗುರು ಬೈಕ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಪುಟ್ ಬೈಕ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ us through some off-road and all. That's what happened during our last ride to Kalasa. In order to avoid that, we put the car route, and now this is what we are facing. I never knew that there are forest ranges where two-wheelers are not allowed in Madikeri. Very weird, but it's okay. Even though we couldn't go to any destination, at least the views are good throughout, from Wayanad, Tirunelli to Gonikoppa. These tires are sliding like anything. Front one is still fine, but the rear tires are very bad. It still has good grips and all when you look at it, but I can't apply brakes. You need to stop for lunch as well, so fuel stop and a lunch stop is needed.